Today we're taking a closer look at Higgsfield AI platform designed to bring full creative workflow into one place. Instead of using separate tools for generating image, creating videos, or editing scenes, Higgsfield combines many of these capabilities into a single AI-powered workspace. And one of the biggest features is its AI video generation. Higgsfield gives creators access to multiple videos models and tools including Sirens, Kling, Sora, Bell, and other models depending on what's available on the platform. And this makes it possible to experiment with the different generation styles without constantly switching between different websites. So the platform also goes beyond simple text to video generation. With tools like Cinema Studio, creators can work with cinematic scenes, camera controls, reference characters, and different visual styles. And another interesting part of this project is image generation ecosystem. So you can simply create images, work with the characters, edit existing visuals, upscale images, and use reference-based workflows. So this can be especially useful when you need the same character or visual identity to appear consistently across multiple pieces of content. And the Higgsfield also includes tools for editing and transforming existing content. For example, you can use features such as image editing, in-painting, product placement, multi-reference workflow, and image upscaling. But let's actually test the platform with one simple example so we can see how this platform actually works. So I'll start by opening the video generation section and creating new generation. For this test, let's say I want to create a cinematic shot of futuristic city at a night with a person walking through a crowded street while neon light reflect off the wet pavement. I'll enter the description as a prompt and let Higgsfield generate the scene, and depending on the model we select, we can also adjust things like the visual style, camera behavior, duration, resolution, and other available settings. Once we submit the prompt, Higgsfield processes the request and generates the video. And this is where the platform becomes interesting, because instead of manually filming the scene, setting up lighting, finding location, and then editing everything together, we're starting with a simple description and letting the AI build a visual sequence. And after the first generation, we can review the results and decide what needs to be changed. Maybe we want the camera to move slower, environment to look darker, character to be close to the camera, or scene to feel more cinematic, so we can just simply adjust the prompt or settings and generate another version. That same workflow can be used for much more complicated projects, including advertisement, social media videos, cinematic sequences, music visual, product videos, and even larger AI film projects. Higgsfield also has a community section where creators can explore existing projects and see how different pieces were created. Some projects expose their prompt and asset, which can be useful if you're learning how to build more advanced AI-generated content. So overall, Higgsfield is much more than a basic AI video generator. It's designed as a broader creative environment where you can move from initial idea to images, characters, video scenes, editing, and more advanced production workflow in one place. So guys, if you're a content creator, marketer, filmmaker, or simply someone experimenting with AI generated media, Higgsfield is definitely a platform worth exploring. So guys, all important links will be provided down below, so make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.